can't do it. I feel so nervous.
From fear to confidence.
Class, today everyone will introduce themselves.
Oh no, I feel so scared.
Are you okay? Don't worry.
I'm scared to speak in front of everyone.
Please start. You look confident and full of excitement this morning.
Hello, my name is Emma. I love to come to school. It's fun.
Wow, great job, Emma.
Yeah.
I wish I could do that.
I'll go next. My name is Jake. I love football.
Very good.
Thank you.
My turn is coming.
You can do it. Don't worry, nothing will happen. You can try.
No, I don't think I can.
Your turn.
Hi, I'm Ben. I like drawing.
Nice. Everyone is so confident. You're next.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Okay. Why are you scared?
What if everyone laughs?
No one will laugh.
Are you sure?
Yes, we are your friends.
Okay, I'll try. I can't do it. I feel so nervous.
You can try again later.
Oh, okay.
Don't be scared.
Yeah,
Come here, help her.
Okay. Sophie, don't worry. We are with you. Okay?
Let's try again.
Okay. My name is Sophie.
Good job.
Really? That was great. I did it.
That's good.
See? You did it. I feel happy now.
You were brave.
Confidence comes with practice.
I will practice more.
Next time, you'll be even better.
Yes, I will.
Yay! Thank you, everyone. Let's clap. Clap, clap.
I'm not scared anymore.
That's amazing. You inspired us.
Really?
Fear goes away when we try.
I understand now.
Yes, me too.
Always believe in yourself.
I will. Next time, I'll speak louder.
That's the spirit. Who wants to speak again?
Me.
Wow.
Good. Hi, my name is Sophie.
Excellent confidence. That's good.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
I feel strong now. No more fear.
No more fear. Always try your best.
I will always try.
We are proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Sophie, Sophie. Yay! Great job, everyone.
Thank you.
I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Trying is better than being scared.
That's true. Mistakes are okay. I won't be afraid anymore.
You are so brave now.
Thank you.
Let's always support each other.
Yes, always. We must support.
Yes, we must support everyone who needs.
That's right. We can also help each other with our homeworks.
Class dismissed.
Bye, teacher. Let's play outside.
Yes, let's go. You are a star. You were so brave.
Thank you. Today was a good day. The best day.
Never be afraid to try. Confidence grows step by step.
Left the drawer at 2:30. The sock had dreams, big and true. No more pairs, no more rules. Just wild adventures, skipping schools. Rolling down the laundry